The original stadium could fit 42,500 fans. It's since been expanded 4 times to its current capacity of 61,500. Primarily funded by donors, the South End Zone project and Souk Up End Zone Club added thousands of new seats and premier event space to the stadium in 2015. The North End Zone has 2 sections of grass hillside seating.